Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and today I have a simple and dramatic embossed design to share with you. Now this is the Lotus Flower 3D. I have some simple strips here. I have some scrap colored cardstock, and here's a photo of the finished card. This could not be easier, but it is not lacking in any drama, and I was able to use up some scraps and pre-made items. So as you can see, I took that black cardstock. I did cut it down slightly smaller than A2 with the LDRS Creative Stitched Edge Rectangle die. Now the trickiest bit about this folder is just getting it lined up straight, because you do want that design to be lined up perfectly on your card panel. Otherwise, it just won't look right, because it's kind of the whole focal point. It's the whole shebang with this design. So take your time, make sure it's lined up well. I ran it through my Spellbinders Platinum 6, and now I have my favorite white pigment ink, which is Hero Hues Unicorn White, and I'm just going pad to paper. I'm not even messing with the little foam. I'm just going super quick. I'm light-handed, but I'm just brushing it along the top of that dramatic 3D embossing. Now what I have here, it's actually a simple strips box from Tailored Expressions, but I can't remember if this is actually Tailored Express. Yeah, I think this is a Tailored Expressions sentiment strip. So these are simple strips, but I do also use these boxes for other brands that are similar. And what I did was just actually ink blended on white paper, because I heat embossed it with white embossing. So if you do white on white, then you can come back and customize it later. Now I did want to use a little bit of a gray border, so I used the next size up in that same stitched edge rectangle die, so it matches the black panel, but it kind of matches the gray that I was able to create with the sentiment, using some foam tape from scrapbook.com to pop this up. So it has a little bit of separation from the actual card base, but that's going to finish the design other than some blingage here. I have some card bling from A Colorful Life Designs. I do have a coupon, AmyFan10. If you shop for anything in the store, be sure to use my coupon. So I'm just going to flip through my neutrals here. I have lots of different silvers, just figuring out which one I want to use for this design to kind of match the gray from the ink blending, and then the gray from the scrap piece of cardstock. But I will link everything in the video description box below if you expand and scroll down. I did the Crystal Metallic Quicksilver is the color that I chose from A Colorful Life Designs. I felt like it was kind of a cool gray that really matched the design. So I'm putting down little dollops of liquid glue. I have Barely Arts liquid glue, and I have my jewel picker tool, and I'm going to put these gorgeous little gems down in a smattering across the composition. But that's it. How easy is this, guys? So this is a design you could totally batch and get a bunch of cards, and they're just so dramatic and cool. I know it's sure to bring a smile to your recipient's face. Actually, I did 3 and 3 in this one. I forgot. I tucked that one a little bit under the sentiment strip just for a little added effect, but it says Sending Good Vibes. Again, Tailored Expressions simple strip, 3D embossing folder, and that finishes the card. So thanks for spending time with me. I'll catch you next time.